Hello students, today we are going to discuss the 20th topic from our English grammar book. The name of this lesson is Let us revise doing words. So students, in our earlier topics we have already discussed about the doing words. So what are these doing words? All the words that tell us about the actions that we do are called as doing words, also action words. So all the activities, all our actions. For example, here on the board you can see I have written few action words or doing words. Now tell me, what are the actions that we do? What are the movements we do? Yes, we sleep, eat, sit, stand, walk, we run, then we fly, move, we sing, we dance, we jump. Yes, all the activities, all the actions that we do, and the word that tells us about these actions are called as action words. Also they are called as doing words. I also told you in our topic am, is, are. Yes, in that topic we discussed that am, is and are, these words are also doing words, because the words like am, is and are, they tell us what a person is, what a person does. For example, when I introduce myself, I say I am a teacher, right? So I use the word am. So am is the word which tells what work I do. I do the work of a teacher. Suppose I say I a teacher. So nothing is understood with this I a teacher. But when I say I am a teacher, the person who is listening to me, he quickly understands that I do the job of a teacher. I do the work of a teacher. So am, is and are, these words are also called as doing words. Now let us see few sentences and we will try to find out which are the doing words or the action words from these sentences. In your grammar textbook, exercise is given to you where you have to find out the action words or the doing words. Also there is an exercise in which you have to in which blanks are given to you and you have to add some action words or doing words into it. Now let us see few sentences and let us try to find out the action words from these sentences. So here you can see underline the doing words. So four sentences are given to you and you are expected to underline the doing words, the action words. The first sentence is the car moves up the slope. Okay, so what is the sentence? The car moves up the slope. So what is the action done by the car here? Yes, the car is moving. The car moves. So the word moves is a doing word. You have to underline moves. The word moves is a doing word or action word. The second is birds sing on trees. So now tell me, what is the action done by these birds? The birds sing. The action of singing is done by the birds. So the birds sing on trees. Sing is the action that is done by the birds. The next sentence is the eagle flies in the sky. So what is the action done by this eagle here? The eagle flies. It is making the movement of its wings. So what is the action? The eagle flies. So flies is the doing word over here. The last sentence, the rabbit hops on the grass. The rabbit hops on the grass. So students, can you identify which is the doing word or the action word here in the fourth sentence? The rabbit hops. What is the action done by the rabbit? Hops, hopping, that is jumping on the grass. So the word hops is the action word, or we can say it the doing word. I hope you have all understood this lesson. So it is expected that you solve the exercise from your grammar textbook. Now students, have a look at this question. Fill in the blanks with is or are. So here you can see few blanks are given and you have to fill these blanks with is or are. You have to see which will best suit the sentence and you have to add it. So we have learned already that we use is when we are speaking about one object, one in number, and when the object or anything else is more than one in number, we use are. So this dash a hen. Hen is only one in number, so we will use this is a hen. These dash hens. So hens, which is more than one in number, so we will write these are hens. Third sentence, this dash a deer. Deer only one in number, so we will write this is a deer. These dash oranges. Oranges, plural form of orange. So oranges are more than one in number, so we write these are oranges. This dash a pineapple. So pineapple is only one in number, so we write this is a pineapple. The next, these dash ducks. Ducks more than one in number, so we use are. These are ducks. Okay, now see the question C. Tick the correct doing words given in brackets. The camel, into bracket two words are there, carry or carries a bag. The camel carry a bag. Is it correct? No. The camel carries. So when the subject here is singular, we use the doing word which is plural. The camel carries a bag. So carries is correct. My mother buy or buys comics for me. So my mother, what does she do? My mother dash comics for me. My mother, she is singular. So I will use a doing word which is plural, that is buys. Right? The next, the dog jump or jumps up. The dog is singular, so I will use jumps. The dog jumps up. A pilot fly or flies an aeroplane. A pilot is singular, so I will use flies an aeroplane. The next is the children smile or smiles at me. Children, it is plural form. Child is a singular form. Children is plural form. So the subject is plural. I will use here singular. That is, the children smile at me. So students, you are expected to solve the entire exercise on page number 44 of your grammar textbook.